equals 1. This else this other thing.
You got all kinds of people in your channel.
No, it was like 4 minus you and me. It was like super popular night. Throw a million ads up there and I'll make like nothing since I don't have any viewers.
You'll make 10 cents and Twitch will take 8 cents of that and then your tax will be the other 2.
Yeah, whatever.
It'll come up one
I
shilling.
wouldn't make 10 cents. Bet you every single person that's watching's got ad block on.
I don't. I just found myself trying
Because it
to
doesn't
select
work
your
with Windows
code.
10.
I hate that.
Yeah,
I'll be like,
let's see.
it's like, why isn't this selecting?
I would really love a Google view of like Visual Studio, you know, like that whole Visual Studio docs.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about that the other day. I was like, Microsoft needs to come up with a pair programming solution for Visual Studio. Mass programming. How cool would that be? Basically, everybody logs into the same project on your team,
Mm.
and everybody just starts coding. Okay, I really need to stop trying to scroll your window and
I don't think that works. Scrolling my window. Okay, ship select is done. Let's hop back over here. So you're not actually loading anything. You're just kicking me over to the waiting lobby. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. So now...
when you're not looking, I'll switch them. Dang it, it's still loading single player.
Alright, so 2-player. So our waiting lobby is just a black screen, isn't it?
Probably. Baby stars moving.
Yes. Yes. Because I coded it, so it has to be super simple. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got another game starting up over here.
We haven't reached
I'm
critical
gonna
mass of stars on the screen yet.
start. It crashed. It's a good sign, I think. Ah! Whoa! Stop! Stop the errors!
Cannot set
Okay.
X.
Yeah, 130, 150, yeah. What are you complaining about? Are you going to take me there?
I thought that said annoyance function instead of anonymous.
Okay. So cannot set X.
Oh. Does
Is
the
code
ship
not
not
updated?
Your ship position update is kicking off in the wait lobby, isn't it? You need a null check in there to see if player and sprite exist.
Okay. I'm getting a lot of updates. I shouldn't be getting this many updates.
It's anxious to get the game started.
Oh, I guess 150 milliseconds is way shorter than a second, you know.
Yeah, it's like there's like 10 in a second almost.
Whatever. I added an extra, what? I was thinking like a second and a half.
And look at those errors go up.
Okay. Anyways, so we're back here. Right. So my hub TS. And you're saying, yes, I'm currently in the waiting lobby, apparently.
Yeah, so the player probably exists, but the sprite obviously is not created there because we only create the sprites in the gameplay screen.
Okay. So here, what do I want to do? I just want to check to see if these even exist.
Yeah, I would just do player1 dot sprite if it exists. Same thing with player 2. It's most likely player 1 exists because that's created in a join game. I imagine that's kicked off before this. You're just going to do a full null check on everything.
I'm not sure, so. First.
Don't know, just null check it all.
Just throw as much code as you can. That'll fix it up. Nothing's ever been hurt by too much code.
We'll get to the gameplay screen, nothing updates. If player 1 equals null and not equal null, then...
Okay, so on my load level, this should have switched to the gameplay screen. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to throw toaster notifications in here pretty soon.
Oh, you don't like console?
Actually, I wish I could hide just the pings that I'm doing. Alright, so here we go. Two player. Alright, so you're in a waiting lobby. Another window open. Load this over on my other screen.
Yeah, I wonder what... We're going to probably need to put something in there for if they select the same ship. Either that or add in a, like an indicator of player 1, player 2.
Okay. Something flew by. I saw an error pop up. It's probably important. Where were you?
Is that bad eye hitting your house?
Player TS. Alright, so here we're in player TS update. So here is probably not working because Sprite doesn't exist either. I'd imagine.
Let's see. Why is player update getting called already? That means we're in the gameplay screen.
Yes, we're in the gameplay screen because I told it to load the gameplay screen.
So that means the graphics should be created, so that's weird.
Try it again.
It's spooky behavior. Using physics terms.
Spooky. Load the game so I can test this out. So you're in the lobby. Now, start. Debugger. That's there. Sprite is there. X, are you there?
X should be there if the sprite's there.
Sprite is there. X will not give me a value. Why is that?
No, it's an X, not Y.
Boom.
Boom.
Okay, at one point in time, it tried to update something where there is no sprite.
Is it a race condition, maybe? Updates getting called before sprite is fully created? But it's
Mm,
showing sprite there, so it should be
yeah, but I
created.
got 2 players. I bet you something with that. Let's think. How can I debug this?
Well, we can add a boolean on the create graphics that's like, is created. And basically
Okay.
call it on an update if not is created. Return.
Can I just now? I'll just throw this in here right now. If not that.
Yeah, I mean, that's a good check anyway, but
Hiccups.
I think it's going to end up being. The sprite's going to be there, but for some reason, X or something's not. It's not fully created. Oh, of course, now it works. Is that player 2 up and upper? Jim, there's something wrong with my thrusters?
Well, the interesting thing here is that both players are controlling the ship on the other screen, but just not the correct one. So, like, I'm clicked over here on the screen that you can see, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
moving the ship, but it's moving the ship on the left side. Like, on the left screen, it's moving the ship on the right screen. And it's not moving the correct ship. It's that ship up here is still stuck. Okay, so that's much better.
Everybody's player
Um,
1.
yeah, so something's working there. So let's at least commit while we have something getting ahead.
Player 2 made it out alive because he took the safe route and just tucked into corner while all the ships flew by. He's like, I
Good
win.
strategy. Epic strategy.
Just move player off screen until level finishes.
Hey, if the enemies can do it, so can we.
You know what we should do is just leave it in so anybody could move off the screen and just not tell anybody and see how long it takes people to figure out they can just move off the screen.
It'd be like 5 seconds, I think.
Yeah.
Um, so I got to figure out why the clients aren't updating. So
Put a score
be
system in
you.
so every time they go off screen they take negative points for like every foot they move. It's like, man, he can beat this game fast.
Hmm. I don't know how to debug this. So are the IDs getting mixed up? So apparently I'm able to update each other player on the server, which is good.
Let's
That was
see.
weird.
I can add some code in to display the IDs for now for each player.